This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is a Class C RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 28 feet 5 inches in length and features a Catalina interior, sleeps 8, LP detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, self-contained, awning, auxiliary battery, water heater, smoke detector, TV antenna, leveling jacks, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, mid-kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, U-shaped dinette. This 2025 Winnebago Minnie Winnie 26T is built on a Ford E450 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Juniata Valley RV.